In House 1, they are planning flexible spaces with family appeal. They are completing 2 upstairs rooms this week with an open-plan study area and a bedroom large enough for a couch and TV. Tash's bedroom will showcase their architectural ceiling against some leafy wallpaper. There'll also be plenty of space for a queen bed, sofa and floor-to-ceiling cabinetry either side of the half-height drawers, and a wall-mounted television. The wow factor in Harry and Tash's study nook is not their desk or the daybed next to it, but what's outside the window. A stunning view of an oak tree with the northern lights streaming in. Sarah and George have 3 spaces to complete this week: a study nook, powder room and a kid's bedroom. The study will have a full-length desk with space for 2 chairs and open shelving above, while the bedroom will have a light sage green graphico tree print and be styled for a little girl with a house bed and a play area on the floor complete with a teepee. By completing the combined living room and study and the 3rd bedroom this week, we'll have the only 5-bedroom house on the block. This bedroom will also feature a double bed, side table, artwork on the wall and floor-to-ceiling Kingsman cabinetry with champagne handles. Dan and Jade are also completing a study-cum-living room with a comfy couch, television and double-sided desk complete with cabinetry.
I'd love to put a storage area up in the roof, straight off the second deck in the new part of the house, straight through to the old.
Their proposed attic storage room will sit under the roofline of the old house and be accessed via the first floor of the new rear extension. They're finishing off their upstairs space by adding another bedroom and a large living room cum study. The bedroom will showcase a wall of VJ panelling, rattan bedhead and moonlighting, while the newly created family room will act as a kids' sanctuary with a comfy sofa, huge 75-inch TV and a study desk built into custom Kingsman cabinetry. This week, to complete their upstairs space, Jimmy and Tam are building a bedroom and a media room, which can be closed off from the rest of the house by a massive 3-metre by 2-metre sliding door. This holy grail of comfy couches, along with a big screen TV and built-in storage, will make their media room a contemporary, comfortable and functional space.